Okay. Let's see. Now I should be live. Yes, I am. Let's see. Is everything working fine? Let me know, please. Because now I should be multi-streaming. Yup. Oh, nice. Yuki-chung. Okay. It seems like everything's working fine. By the way, if someone can check on Twitch as well. Brother, you there? Can you check it there just to see if it's actually working? But the most important one is here. Oh, okay. Thank you. The most important one is, well, here on YouTube. It's where I've got most of the people. So, since it's live, let's get it going. By the way, don't forget to like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and well, check out the depth to see more mods for Ark as well. This one is for the Paleo Ark team, which is for them, so you can check it out. By the way, this villager rigger thing that I'm using a lot, there's a link down the description, and you can also check our Discord server to see some more interesting things that normally I don't do live. Okay, so if everything is set and done, let's get going with this one. In the last live, I did the torso and also the tail. So now I'm going to do the neck. But for that, let me do one thing. Let me get here to the scripting. Let me open. Let me get one from them, the Diabloceros. It's fine. So I'm just gonna get it here and text save S. I want this one to be in Megaloceros. The character saved. Nice. And make some changes. So the Megaloceros there. The mesh is, well, basically this one here. The male mesh should be fine. Although I don't even use that, so I might simply delete this. There we go, Megaloceros rig UI, and every other thing should be exactly the same. So armature data, all good. Alt S to save, and let's run it. Ooh, okay. It's basically because this here doesn't exist anymore. Alt S. Okay, where is the other problem? Megaloceros not found. Ah, yeah, of course. The name of the armature at the moment is armature. So let me just change it. Megaloceros. Good. Now it should work. Character? No, we don't have character. We just have the armature. Let me just remove it from there. Nice. Okay, now it worked. I should have the UI here. Yup. Pretty nice. One thing I'm gonna need to do first, no, I already have it. The tail ones. Ah, yeah, it's not gonna show up because first it's trying to draw the neck. Okay, so if that's the case, let me select this. Let's go. And this here. These ones as well, because I want to work on them next. There we go. We got this. Let's see. First of all, I'm gonna select these and create switch chains. I want it to be going up. So there we go. We're gonna have something like this. And now I can get this one to have the tweak chain. All right. So, well, first of all, let's work on this one. Let me create an intermediate one. This is going to be the parent. So IK head parent. There. Clear parent. I don't want it to have one. Shift D here. There we go. And copy the rotation of this one there. Okay. And this is going to be the MCHIK head target. Did I change it? Nope. I changed something completely different. MCHIK head target. There. Now that's selected. This one, keep offset. And we are going to have something interesting here. That is, I can use this to drive this IK. So it's 5 bones that we have there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have it up here. Click to apply, and that's it. Let me see if I move this. We have this movement, which is not bad. I just need to get the rotation as well. Now let's see if I do this. Yeah, that's what I want. The S. If I rotate this like this, yup, beautiful. It works. Nice. For this one here, I'm basically going to do the chain rotation. So create rotation chain. Just click on it. There we go. It's created. I want everyone to have the scale of 1. The bones with FK in the name, they are going to be the chain ones. So it's FK. What can I find in there? I don't think I can just get them like this, and so let me just select all of them at first. FK, 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 and the last one, FK. There. Control F2 to get the batch. Select bones. I'm gonna find FK and change it to chain. Okay. Now I can look for FK, FK, and just change them to FK. So the FK, FK, change them to FK. Nice. Okay. With this, these 2 chains, they are already complete, and this one isn't just going to change from one to the other. Let's work on one other thing here. Just gonna get all of these bones and create tweak chain. There we go. Now, this tweak right there, I don't want it. So remove. I can change the name of this one. Oh boy. To be control tweak neck 001. Okay, now this is going to be parented with this one. Okay, so if I move this, there we go. We're gonna have this. Now for the parenting, let's see, this one and this one is going to be parented with the MCH switch up there, this one with this, and so on. So there, that one with that one, this one with that one, and this one with that one, and the last one is not going to be parented with the one up there because it's basically the chest. So nope, I'm gonna keep it like this. Okay, so let's just get back to pose mode. I'm gonna select all the switch ones. Copy transforms to chain. I want to copy from the MCH IK to the MCH switch. IK switch. There. Okay, we got this here. Beautiful. This is really nice. Let's copy transform to chain again, but this time it's going to be for the control chain one, and this is the FK switch. Okay, now it has a shorter head. Okay, then let's see, we got this in the neck switch, and just right click on it, copy as a new driver. Right click this one, paste the driver, right click again, and copy driver to selected. There we go. So now I can change it. Okay, all good for those. I can just select these here then. -1, put them back in place. There. And there. Okay, good. Now let's see if I get the MCH IK. There we go. We got an IK working. MC head rotation. Yep, that works pretty much fine. Let me check what else. Well, we got the tweaks going on. Let's see if they still work. So, there, control tweak neck, moving. Yep, it does work. Don't worry about the weight painting there though. And there, control tweak. Okay. Yeah, all of them working just fine. So in this case, let's get the things in the correct place. First of all, let's change some stuff. I want the tweak ones, and I want them to be green. So there we go. Switch ones can go to MCH. We're not using them. Control F again. ORG ones go to ORG. We are not using those either. This MCH IK parent, let me create it. So there we go. We've got an armature constraint. It's 1, 2, 3 bones that I need. all from Megaloceros. This is going to be for the root, and this one is for the chest, ORG chest, and this one is for the torso. So there we go, control torso. All of them there. I just need to add some drivers. So let me just click on this one, copy as a new driver, paste it in this, and let's edit, change it, whoops, edit, change it to scripted expression equal 0. There we go. So if the value from this head parent is 0, then the driver value is 1. That's basically what this expression does. Otherwise, it's gonna be 0. So let me just copy this driver and paste it to these ones. Now I can just change this to be 1 and this one here to be 2. Now if I change from the root to the chest, there we go, we have it changing there. Nice. So with this one already pretty much working, I can just send it back to MCH. The same with that one. Okay, now let's see. I have here control MCH, control chain, and that's it. Okay, so all of them I can simply select all of them because they are in the middle chain. And let's get here to the rigging tab, change this to yellow and put all of them yellow. Nice. Let me just get this one selected just so I can copy this to everyone. Okay. Now let's see. Hello there. How's it going? Let's check. These are all good. Let me get the chain ones first. And I want this here. Let me copy the chain from this other place here. So Alt and click, and it's going to be applied to all the chain bonds, even the head. But for the head one, I'm gonna change it later. At the moment, that's good. Wireframe for everyone. Nice. So since everyone here is already with the correct shape, let's just get these ones and search for FK. I have an FK one here as well. Alt click, so it goes to all the bones selected, and that's basically it. Okay, that's good. One thing I want to try if the IK, well, not the IK, the FK is working. So I got it back to FK. Let me see if I move this. That's good. If I move the chain, it moves the whole chain. Okay, beautiful. So let's get it back to IK and save it. Important, very important to save progress. Let's see. Do I have clear bond color, delete unused widgets? And that's good. Can't find the widget collection. Does it exist? Yes, it does. Clear bond widget. If I clear this one, yeah, okay, that's fine. It didn't clear the other ones. So save it again, and let's create a collection for that. Ah, I see. It's because it changed the name. This is Megaloceros. There we go. So it's also relying on name. This is a little bit of a problem that I have as well. Okay, so let's go. Deluge rigger. let's create a new collection. This is going to be the head neck one. So head neck collection. Good. Inside of this head neck collection, I'm gonna have a neck FK, a neck IK, and also I think I'm gonna add the neck chain just to keep it separated. So let's put it there in chain. And neck tweaks. Tweaks. Okay. So Ctrl F. Let's get the tweak bones. Select this one, Ctrl C and copy bone shape. Did it get there? Yes, it did. They're huge though. Let me select these ones and that one as well and make them a little bit smaller. I guess somewhere around here is fine. That's good. Okay, so now I can just select them and move pretty easily. Okay. Then let's get the tweak bones and send them to the tweak collection. The same for you. You can go there. Tweak. No. Tweak is bad. Tweak. Okay. Let's get the chain ones. So chain, everything called chain goes to the chain. Everything called FK goes to the FK one. And everything that is an IK goes to the IK. Good. Nice. So this way we got the neck complete. Now let's get the legs done. I still want to do that that thing with the scapula moving. So I'm going to get these ones right there and put them in this temporary collection. Also, let me check. Nice. So the head and neck, they are already there. The tail one is here as well. I think I'm going to change something here. Like, well, I'm gonna see you later. But yeah, got that one working. Okay, so we got intelligent rigger. Let's create switch chains. This time I want it to be on 1 there and 0 here. So it goes sideways. Nice. This one's fine. And this one is also fine. Not gonna do anything. It's just this one here that is the main stuff. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna add the intermediate bone to this one. And now that I have this MCH int here, I'm gonna shift D on it and put it kind of like here. Align it with the world rotation and parent to the root. Let me change the name. It's gonna be Control IK. I'm putting arms, and so just to keep things a little easier. No need to worry about it. And so Control IK arm dot L, of course. Boom. There we go. And I want this here to be parented with this here. Let's check. So now if I just grab that one and this one, we're gonna have 1, 2, 3 bones going up. So inverse kinematics, 1, 2, 3. There, click. And let's see, how does it move? Does it make sense? I can't see it yet. Let me see a little bit closer. I think it doesn't. Nope, it doesn't. So let's get back to edit mode. Let's get that one, those ones, and this here should be there. Now it should move better. What happened there? Let me see. Did I move everyone? Alt H. Ah, no, I didn't, of course. Oh, let's Ctrl Z it and get back. There. Got everyone selected. I'm just gonna move this one forward. Okay, now I can put it back. There we go. Let me see. Okay, it's better, but still. Let's get this one further back then. And the same with this one. Let's just put it like around here. And this should be good now. Let's check. Okay, yep. That's better. So there we go, temporary collection soloed. I need to add the pole target there. So let's see. Gonna select this one and let's get back to normal orientation. Shift D, Ctrl, not Shift S, Shift X, and put it around here. It should be fine. Align with the world. Make it smaller and let's call it Ctrl like K O.L, and that one is going to be parented with this one. Okay, that's good. I just want this one to have a copy. Global Z-axis, please, and to be connected there. Let me just copy this name. V. Gonna change this to this for visibility. Pole line. There we go. We are not going to be able to select that one in the future. So just select that one. This one is stretched to and add a line widget to it. Nice. Now, if I move this, we're gonna have that line there, always pointing to the pole and the place where it's being changed, basically. Okay, so we got that. Now I just need to get this to work with the pole that was created. There we go, Megaloceros. I drop. Come through. Okay, pole, it's back. So minus 90, I would say. Yep. Just put it like this. Get as close as possible. This is already pretty close, not gonna lie. I think something like this is already really good. How to know if it's actually good? Enter edit and pause mode really quickly. And if it doesn't flicker, it's good. So let me see. If I rotate this, yep, we're gonna work in. Now, it's just a matter of getting these things in place. Also, let me delete this. All of them, well, I want to delete this one here as well. All of these ones are going to be parented with that one there. Okay. Not needed, that other one. So, if that is the case, let's just select this here. Get back to Village Rigger and let's copy transforms to chain. This one is gonna be MCH IK. There, IK switch. There we go. Copy transforms to chain again. Ctrl FK. Okay, good. And now I'm gonna get these ones. Copy transforms to chain from MCH switch to ORG. And this is going to be IK FK switch. Boom. Nice. Now let me get all the switch ones there. Get one of them as the active. And if I get into the Megaloceros rig UI, I can... Oh. I forgot to change that. It's fine, it's fine. So let's check. I want the arms left. Well, so arm left and copy as a new driver. Right click here, paste the driver. Let me just do that real quick. And right click again and copy driver to selected. Now everything is in the correct place. Let's get back. Got all of those. And let's move them back to where they should be. Okay. Let's see if I move this here now. Yep, it looks pretty good actually. What is the problem? Well, the scapula is not moving. So we gotta do something about that. Gonna select it. Edit mode. I got that one there. I'm going to Village Rigger, create an intermediate bone, and this one I wanted to align with the world rotation because this here is also aligned with the world rotation. So let's see. Now that I have that, I can control it kinda using this one. So, well, just gonna select that. This one, Control Shift C and transformation. Let's try first going up. So Z point 25 is already good. So let's put it at point 25. Okay. So if I get the leg up that much, I want this here to extrapolate from local to local, map from location to location. The Z point 25 map to, let's see, 0.5 maybe. That should be good. Okay. And the other one, let me move it. And Y minus 0.35. Okay, so this is in the Y minus 0.35 will be changed to minus 0.5 as well. Yeah, that doesn't look bad. So just with this, look at that difference. It's a lot better than it was before. Well, let's not break the legs. This is already really good, but I still want it to rotate if it goes back and forth. So in this case, let's just shift to D on this here. It's gonna create this guy, but this time for rotation. Extrapolate and target local space. Now I want to map from location to rotation. So let's see. GZ 0.25. No, this one is fine. I want the other one. Minus 0.35. And Y. So there. I want this here to rotate a little bit. Then there we go. It's going to rotate on the x-axis. So, but I'm using that y. Then there we go. Y. If it's minus there, I want to rotate it also on the minus here. Something like 5 will do. Let's just put it minus 5. And we got it like this. Let's see. If I just move it. Look at that. This is actually really good. And it's a simple control even. Okay, so now that we have this working pretty nicely, I just need to get the collections created. So let's put it here. New, it's gonna be arms. Whoops, arms. There. And then I'm gonna create arm.l. I need an arm.r. Inside of the arm.l, I'm gonna get the arm fk.l and the ik.l. And inside of these ones, I'm gonna get the fk.r and ik.r. Okay, good. Now I just need to get all of them in the correct place and we should be fine. So there, this MCH goes to MCH. Ctrl F, switch one, switch goes to MCH. ORG once goes to ORG. Not you. You're different. Go there. You are going to become control now. You are now control scapular. Okay, with all of those in place, let me still get, whoops, let me still just get these ones into where they should be. Just solo these and so I can see where this is going to. I want this one to be in both IK and FK. Now let me hide that, and I can hide this one as well. No need anymore, and no need for those either. Now I can simply get this one right here, this int bone. It can go to MCH. We don't need it. Now I can search for FK first. Let's get all the FK ones and send them there. And IK ones and send them there. Okay, and that should be fine. So let's get all the bones. Let me Alt H just to be sure everything that I need is selected. Gonna get those, that one there, and these ones here as well. Okay, I think I have all of them selected. And if that is the case, I can just go to edit mode, symmetrize, and it should now work just fine. Let's see. Yep, that's working. Good. Now let's get everything that has .L. Make them red. So where is the rigging? Everything. Oh, I can just Ctrl Shift M. So everything with .R are gonna be blue. Okay. That's already really good. And now these two bones, gonna copy in that shape. So both of you, I need you to have a wire width of 2. Okay. That pretty much fine. Now the only thing I need now, it's in these ones here. So let me get just the MCH. I want these ones. Oh, there we go. Yep. Select all of them. Well, all of them that actually have the thing that I'm looking for. And let's get this one. Right click on it, copy as a new driver. Paste. Right click, copy driver to selected. And now let's do delete rigger, MCH. If I move this one up, I got that. But if I change it to FK, well, not that one, this one, we got something like this, which is not right. What? Why? Well, the main problem is this guy. It also needs to have some drivers and to disable it if we are in FK mode. So let's see, we are on the right side. Hello, how's it going, Mo? I'm a little late, lol. Ah, no, it's fine, it's fine. It's good that you came here. No, by the way, now I'm streaming in Twitch as well. I was able to get both running at the same time. So let's see. I got this here. I can model a bit in Blender, but you got me curious about rigging. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, rigging is really cool. It's kind of scary at first, but when you learn it a little bit more, you see that's not that bad. So let's see, I got that one. It's the arm, right? So let me just copy it as a new driver. And let's put it in here. Right click there. Oh, nice, nice. Now Mo is also part of the Twitch subscribers. Thank you, thank you. So let's paste the driver. And then this is gonna turn off, but it's turning off at the wrong time. So let me just edit, change this to scripted expression and put a 1 minus there. Good. That's all. So copy this driver to this one here. So paste. And now if I change this, it goes back down. Pretty good. There we go. Let's see. Now for this side. There we go. Got it. gonna do basically the same thing. So just gonna copy in this driver, paste it there, right click to edit and change to scripted expression 1 minus, and that's it. Right click, copy driver, right click, paste driver. Now let's see if this is also working fine. So Alt G there, let me get this one, move it. This is moving so smooth. Look at that. Oh boy. Okay, so we got this here, and if I turn it to FK, it goes back. Beautiful. Let me save it, and let's see. Well, this is basically complete, I would say. Let me get the MCH's ones gone. Don't need them. Get this one with the color there. Now let's get some shapes. All of these as well. Actually, I can get all of them. So, okay, all of them selected. I want to select this one, Ctrl C, copy bone shape, and I need to copy this wireframe width. Okay, that's good. Nice. Now this one. Let me get to rigging. I like using this rounded plane. Create. Let's edit. RXX 90. There. I can just scale it down, move it back slightly, and there we go. Just go back to the bone and let's symmetrize. There we go. Beautiful. Nice. Now let's see. What do we have here? We have the... Oh, okay, so we got the deformed bones in there as well. Don't need those. The scapula. Simple. Get a circle, create, edit, rotate it. I don't want it to be in normal, I want it to be in local this time. So, well, R, Z, 90. Let me scale it on the Z as well. So, there. And on the Y. Okay, move it in place. There is pretty good. Let me get the ones that are apart from each other. So that one there and this one here. Look this way, and let me change this to sphere because yes. And no, let's not. Let's put it back to smooth. It looks better. So there we go. Nice. I just need to select all the vertices and maybe rotate on the Y a little bit. Yeah. Nice. Get back to the bone and symmetrize. We got a problem here. What is this? ORG scapula. And do I have anything else? Well, in this case, this ORG scapula can just disappear. It doesn't do anything, so let's get rid of it. Nice. So let me just save it. And let's see how's the time? Almost time to end for today. So let's just add this last widget. Let me scale it. Whoops. Make it median. And let's get it quite big. This is good. Get back to bone, and there we go. So now we got the root. Oh, already over. Yup. Today, well, for today that is. So tomorrow I'm also doing another live, and it's basically going to be what's in the rear leg, and maybe start working on some weight paintings, and that's gonna be it. By the way, I didn't check how this here is moving. It closes pretty nice and forward, but this part here is kind of broken. But other than that, not bad. So I already have something interesting. Let me just change the color of this one. Yellow. And change the name as well already to control and put it where it should be. Which is this head neck. I want it on both actually. Here and here. Let me check. Is it there? Oh, relations. Yep. It's on both of them. Alright, so save it. And, well, if you got all the way here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and, well, join our Discord server for some more content. Also, if you'd like to support the live a little bit more, there are some links down the description on YouTube for, well, donations, and also for our stores. And so this way you can also get some pretty nice quality assets. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today, and tomorrow I'm gonna be back. Have a nice day, Matt. Oh, thank you. You too. So thank you everybody for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.